So before we begin this episode, I'm going to show you some game modes, crazy game modes that I've been surviving. So enjoy it. So the first one is Chompnado from Mega Tornado. I survived it, so yeah, that's it for Chompnado. Let's move on to the next. So the next one is Chad. He queued Ghost NATO, supercharged Ghost NATO. He queued Taiji2 and 6 NATO, and also merged threat. So that's it for the game modes that survived. Two game modes that survived and two of them I died. Now enjoy the video. Hello, hello, hello. Today we'll be playing Tornado Alley Ultimate again. Yeah, a round just ended, which is Tornado. Let's close the chat and let's begin. Let's begin the next round by going to the lobby first. Wow. Just now there was Chad and he queued some disasters and made one. Oh, that's right. A merge threat. Hold on. He queued merge threat, so and I don't know when it's coming because I've been waiting for a long time for merge threat to happen. But still, nothing. Alright, so we got 3 hard maps and 2 of them are performance heavy. We can choose a calm map, you can choose a cold map or a high map. But it's alien invasion, so we might as well just pick Boardwalk because there's not a lot of people picking it. I don't know why. No one wants to pick Metropolis. It's a good map, you guys. It's a good map. Is there a loot? There's no loot. No Eerie. Yeah, it's not Chompnado, right? Chompnado! Oh, you're boring. I recorded you once, okay? Chompnado versus Sharknado. But still, you decided to go for another round. How dare you, man? I hate Chompnado. Sharknado is better. I would say yes. There's no loot. Oh my god, two places have no loot. Two fire extinguishers. Can I get the top one? Real quick? Yes, we can get it. Let's do a fire extinguisher battle, shall we? Pew 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 pew. Shooting out some obnoxious gases. Who are you? No, you're not the one. You're an actual. Who are you? Are you the one who grabbed on the bottom, huh? You grabbed the one at the bottom? You don't leave me things? Dang, son. Okay. Close to you. Rest in peace, my man. Yeah. Rest in peace. Let's go to the lighthouse. Most people are at the parking area. I don't know why they want to be at the farther edge or the corner. Oh my goodness. Let's get on the boat. Let's get ourselves a ride. No! Give me the boat! No! Give me! No. You cannot take me. Go. Get out. Get out. Yes! No! No. Shark swimming in the ocean. You think I cannot see you, huh? I can, boy. Oh, passing through some sharks. I'm not and I'm capsized. This is very bad. Uh-oh. No. Pushing a shark. Let's flip ourselves. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. I'm capsized. I cannot breathe. Oh no. Uh, there's a shark. I don't want to touch my head on the shark, otherwise I'll get bitten. And yes! Oh no, 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 the corner. Oh my god, no, 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 sir. No. No. I can't even drive. This is. No! I'm capsized again. Oh, game. Oh, I did it again. Oh, okay, no capsize. Wait. No! Oh no! No! Where's my speedboat? No, no, no. No, my speedboat is gone! No! No! How dare you, Tornado, stealing my uh speedboat? Where is it? Is it underneath the map? Is it glitched? No, it's gone. It poofed out of the map because of you. Yes, you. We're gonna go on the boat. Ow! What is wrong with you? No! 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 I'm wobbling, waggling like a little worm. What the heck? You stupid little shark. You fool. Okay. Alien invasion. We might wanna get underneath some stuff. Like here, I'm gonna do a 2 survival exclusive video right now. Because I have to go. So let's get under here. And I'm gonna show you guys like the game modes that Chad just queued. I'm gonna edit this video, so yeah, you're gonna see it, and you're gonna be amazed that I died by Taiji2 because of the freaking Infernado shot me like a firework in the air. Oh, I got a fire extinguisher. No. No. Go. I'm gonna fire extinguisher you. BAM! Solo. We out. We out of here. We out. We're poofing out. We don't care about anything. We're out. I'm running from the aliens. Ouch. I flopped and I did a handstand. I did a handstand, yeah I did. It was impressive, huh guys? I did gymnastics. We, the Ken, have come to a decision centuries in the making. We have decided to seize your planet and make it ours. No. Ken, we will be conquering our handstand no matter the casualties that may occur. It is time to invade. Oh no. I think this is vengeful. Aggressive. Of course. It's a time to invade. Are you dumb? Hello? Where is it? Oh my god! 6! A6. Bam, 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 bam. Not the heat-seeking laser. Oh no. Let's hide under here and hope no UFO shall be on top of my head. Otherwise, this is so embarrassing. I have a UFO hat. Cool, huh? Cool. And bad at the same time. It's destroying the lighthouse. No. It's killing this dude. No. Don't die, my man. Nitroless. Nitroless. Are you copying Pointyless's username? Yeah! That was a sound. Kind of like Freddy Fazbear's jump scare of Foxy. Ah! Wait a minute. The balcony fell down. Whew. But lots of damage. Lots and lots of damage. Look at this. 99 plus. Wow. How many people are chatting? Ah, yes. We scream. We scream. We scream because we're scary cats to the UFO. But for me, nuh-uh. The heat-seeking lasers were to hit me again. Huh? Ken? No! Oh no, it's abducting. 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 I cannot pronounce. I cannot pronounce. No. No. We have 10 seconds left. Look at that. Like, let's see if the UFO on my head. 3, 2, 1. No, I'm safe. Well, I'm being like targeted by the heat-seeking lasers several times, but hey, perhaps we overestimated the complexities of Earth. This is not the last we'll hear from Ken. No, this is the last. Because you're down and we're up. You're going down and we're going up. Because we are the champions. As this is it for Tornado Alley Ultimate episode. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon next time. Happy New Year. Goodbye. Like, subscribe, and share.